My people, welcome back. I'm really glad you're here. And if you're joining us for the first time, you're officially part of the family. All right, settle in. Let's grow together in today's video.
Hello guys, welcome. So today we are going to be talking about how to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. So firstly, what you are going to do is you are going to open your Facebook application. So after that, you are going to look at these three icons at the top here. You are going to click on it. Then what we are going to do next is we are going to be looking for settings and privacy. We are going to settings, then you will click on settings again. After that, this is your setting dashboard. Anything you wanted to do on Facebook, you can do it here. This is your setting dashboard on Facebook. So what we are going to do next is we are going to click on account center. Account center comprises of your personal details, password and security, and other stuff. Let's click on account center. So this is your account center. Firstly, what we are going to do is we are going to look for password and security. Password and security, that is where we are going. As you can see on this account center, we have your personal details, we have anything like MetaPay, if you want the account, how many accounts you have added on your center, everything is here. Let's click on password and security. Now this is your password and security. Anything regarding security on Facebook, this is where it is. You can change password there and every other thing. All your saved login is here. So you are going to click on two-factor authentication. So you click on your account. This is my own account. You click on yours. So you have to wait here for it to load. So the next thing this thing is going to show is it's going to send an SMS. It's going to send an SMS to your phone number or WhatsApp. So after you've input the code they send to your phone number, that means you have connected your two-factor authentication on Facebook. Due to my new Facebook phone, this phone I'm using it for the first time for Facebook, so they can't allow me to do it here. So on yours, they will just send the code to your phone number and you will input it on this dashboard. Then that is it. You have connected your two-factor authentication successfully. That is how to connect it, nothing more. Thank you guys. I hope this helped. Thank you.